Can I
Yes,
come
come
in,
in. Sonali Sahu. Yes.
sir? Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
It's almost going to be evening.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sun has already set.
Sir.
But you may not get a chance like this.
Yes,
We are going to do it over night before evening. So it will go with afternoon. Okay, Sonali.
Yes, sir.
Speak something about you.
I am Sonali Sahu. I have been born and brought up in Rourkela. I completed my primary and secondary education from St. Joseph's Convent School, Rourkela. Thereafter, I pursued my B.Tech from National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, under the branch Industrial Design. And thereafter, I worked for 2 years at LTI Mindtree as a senior software engineer, following which I left my job to pursue a career in the civil services.
You have already left?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the native place?
Uh,
Sundargarh.
Sundargarh is my, like, from father's side it's Jagat Singhpur, but it's Sundargarh for me. Yeah.
Okay. So you worked in Mindtree.
Yes, sir. LTI
It
Mindtree.
belongs to Subrata Bakshi.
Yes, sir. He is the chairman. Yes, sir.
He is the chairman at Bangalore.
Not at Bangalore. At overall, LTI Mindtree is chairman.
Okay. So what are the work we are focusing?
So at LTI Mindtree, so I used a software called Dynamics 365. It's a customer relationship management tool. I used it to align business entities according to clients. So,
Hello.
Then I have one thing to tell you. Ask
yes, sir.
you about your achievements, awards.
Yes, sir. Sir, I had been selected for an internship by IIT Roorkee. It was the Design Innovation Center of IIT Roorkee. It's a fellowship known as Spark Fellowship. They award it to people according to their statement of purpose and such. So I worked there for 3 months and I designed an inclusive educational game that people from different disabilities can play together. So it was a kind of a game that is inclusive and it can be played by all types of children. So I designed that game, and for that I was conferred the Best Design Poster Award.
What is written?
Yes, sir.
Adjudged Best Concept Design Poster.
Yes, sir. So the meaning of, in the sense that I made a prototype of that concept, I made a proof of concept, and then I submitted my research. So in a poster, like we had to exhibit it in a poster. So for that I was given the
Adjudged Best
yes, sir.
Concept
Design poster. Yeah.
Design Poster. Poster maker
So
or designer.
So the name was Concept Design Poster, in the sense that I had made a poster and where I had presented my objective and prototype, and it was exhibited. So for that I was given the best in that category.
That is Design Immotivation Center. What is
Design Innovation Center,
that?
sir.
Innovation Center.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sonali,
Yes, sir.
you have optional
Sociology. Yes, sir.
In sociology, there is a concept taboo and
Taboo.
totemism.
Totemism. Yes, sir.
Are you aware of
Yeah,
that?
yes, sir. I am aware.
Yes. Let us know.
So totemism is a concept devised by Emile Durkheim, and totem is a representation or symbol of an object, or it can be any object such as tree, rock, anything that can be used to signify some spiritual meaning. And he studied the Arunta tribes, aboriginal tribes of Arunta, and he came to know that they followed totemism. Earliest example of totemism was followed there, and it can be synonymous with our present concept of in villages there is this concept of I'll recall the name once. There is a clan, the symbol of a clan, for example, fish for some kshatriya, some clan
Yes,
like that.
understood.
So the names, those are symbol. Totems are those symbols.
Means by that symbol,
Yeah.
what the clan people do.
So it is representative of the clan's purpose, maybe work or anything that they believe in, a particular
So
clan.
they believe, but what is the activities surrounded by those kind of concepts?
Totemism. So according to Imal Durkheim, it led to a feeling of collective effervescence around that totem when the totem is around. So that is used to represent their religion.
So suppose their representation is fish,
Yes, sir.
one particular type of fish, chital fish, for example.
Yes, sir. Right.
So what they do with that? They sacrifice, or do they worship, or do they eat?
So I believe they worship the particular totem.
Now by worshipping, what do they do?
So it is whatever is important. Maybe they engage in fishing activities, and hence they worship the.
No, they don't harm it.
Okay, they don't. Yes,
They
sir.
worship it.
Yes, sir.
They don't harm it.
Yes, sir.
They don't consume it.
Consume it, right, sir? Yes, sir.
What about taboo?
So taboo is the practice. It is a sort of stereotype or that community practices.
Stereotypic community practices
Yes, sir.
by which they
Um, so that they avoid that
They
specific
what
taboo.
example?
So, for example, in our society, menstruation can be called a taboo, sir.
by देढ़सुरो मैंने भाइबो देढ़सुरो को छुईबनी
आगे हाँ आगे yes sir.
भाइबो देढ़सुरो रो ना नबनी
Yes, sir.
ससुरो रो ना
Society, yes, sir. हाँ.
So these are
Those are sort of taboos, yes, sir. Right.
okay. So suppose you join as a as an administrator
Right, sir.
to a block. What immediate things that as a lady officer, what immediate steps you will take care for the safety of woman or girl child going to the school?
For a girl child going to the school, firstly, I would like to work on the enrollment ratio first of all, because more girls should be admitted to school, and to ensure their safety, I would encourage to create a board of safety board in every school that is sensitive to such matters, of the local teachers there. Other than that, sir, for their sanitation, safety, and such things, I would like to construct some other, like some sort of system to keep that in check, so that their safety can be ensured. Other than that, sir, gender sensitivity classes can be conducted in schools, so that all the students can be made aware of the importance of safety. So,
But in your area, jurisdiction,
yes, sir.
there might be so many abuse of physical substances like narcotics,
Yes, sir.
psychotropic materials. As a lady officer, how you tackle those issues?
So I'll take a moment to think.
Considering they are mafias, they have high-handed muscle power, they may physically harm you.
Yes, sir. So, considering tackling of drugs and other psychotropic substances, so my safety, for my own safety, I can coordinate with other officers and have some team for my safety. Other than that, for busting the rackets and such, so I feel more proactive measures, a stronger, stringent police system can aid in that matter, sir. It has to be dealt with strictly, but at the same time, my safety also I would like to ensure. Other than that, said in the community level, some sort of monitoring needs to be there, and counseling, but I do not think counseling boards will help as such. I'll take some moment.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
But such type of questions you have to
Prepare.
think, the mind has to be think positively.
Okay,
The issue
okay.
has to be taken up in a very positive attitude.
Okay,
That should
sir.
be reflected in your answer.
Okay, sir.
Don't put a lot of stress on you to give a good answer or best answer. It's
Hmm.
not that. It's a positive answer. How do you look at the problem positively?
Okay,
As a
sir.
government officer, supposed to take care of something, and as a responsible citizen, what can be best done as per the principles and guidelines available to you,
Yes, sir.
keeping everything, not only your safety of the place where you are also taking up the things.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
there
sir.
are many other safeties are also involved, not only yours.
Yes, sir.
So everything has to be taken together in a positive way.
Sir.
And follow the appropriate procedures also.
Yes, sir.
Not going beyond the procedures. Okay, we will come to another question. What is the function of the mind tree? What is that organization was doing? And what your role was there?
So LTI Mindtree. So my role was that of a consultant to clients. LTI Mindtree works as a software organization, sir. So, but my role under that was that of a
The
consultant.
software organization means what? The preparing softwares or selling softwares or
Sir, we
hiring softwares and taking up services?
yes, sir. So we customize the existing software for Microsoft, or we use Amazon Web Services, for example, and those software we tailor it to another client's requirement. So that is what we are doing. Suppose, for an example, suppose there is a startup or a sales agency, and they require us to maintain their portfolio. So, for example, if there is a salon, and they would like us to tailor their customer list or their sales data. So we do that.
Entire database.
Yes, sir. Entire database. Yes, sir. So we were responsible for collating that.
No, so you will take the software from any of the organizations available
Yes,
and
sir.
then customize it
Yes,
for their
customize it for them.
application.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
So that's and your job was
My job was specifically that creating entity and modifying it to like automatic emails.
programming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Simultaneously programming.
Data visualization, like how much sales in a month or stuff like that. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, sociology student, no?
Yes, sir.
Can you enlighten us on something of social impact analysis?
Social impact assessment.
Social assessment analysis, whatever you may be.
Okay. Yes, sir. So social impact assessment, sir. There are a number of tests that is available for.
Okay, first of all, we would like to know when we take off, why we take off.
Yes, sir. Right.
What are
Right,
the
sir.
what is the specific objective of this taking it off?
Yes, sir.
And then what are the procedures we follow? There are so many things as well.
Yes, sir.
Start from somewhere. Thinking,
So, social impact assessment is the analysis of the particular what is the result of a particular social phenomenon on different types of societies. So, for it is used to adjudge the prejudices or biases or the specific attitude of a community towards another community. So, for example, we have a number of tests. For once, I can think of. I'm not able to recall the particular test name right now, but
okay.
so there is the Likert test, and
Go beyond that, don't remain there. If you are struck up with something,
yes, sir.
change the topic and go.
Oh, okay, sir. Yeah.
Go to some other component.
Allowed any gap.
We switch over to another component of the same program. Suppose you are talking about objective,
Yes,
stop
sir.
somewhere. Okay, now I will come to the results or actions or any other thing.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Within the same topic also you can jump over.
Take over some
Yes.
other aspect. Okay, sir. So, for example, we ask a person 5 to 7 questions, and then we rank their response in a particular number, and we summarize it to have the particular results.
Very good. Okay.
Got a question.
Okay.
So Labor Commission,
Labor Commission, yes, sir.
they used to categorize different types of laborers.
Sir.
So can you name different classification of the labor that is notified?
Sir, formal and informal system of labor codes.
Formal, informal, suppose someone will go and work,
Sir,
how that work will be classified according to the labor classification?
sir, there are blue collar workers, white collar workers.
That
Recent.
classification is not given.
Okay.
Time to time it is defined as unskilled, skilled,
Yes, semi-skilled. Yes, sir.
Semi-skilled,
Okay.
skilled,
On basis of skill.
high
Yes.
skilled.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Accordingly, their remuneration is fixed
Yes, sir.
every 6 months.
Okay.
1 year October. Is it like that?
Okay, Sonali,
Yes, sir.
I would like to stop you here.
Okay.
Why did you choose to come at the back end of the day?
Sir, actually, I reached late today. I came from Rourkela, so
You came from Raulkela,
yeah, I
all the
reached a
way.
little late. Here.
Will not be staying?
I'll stay for another day, but tomorrow I'll leave. Yes, sir.
It was necessary to finish this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. When is your date?
13 September, sir.
So we have some time.
Yes, sir.
Time. Okay, you take care of some other things.
Yes, sir.
As we find your communication is no problem.
Okay.
Your assessment of things are also, understanding is also very good.
Sir, I was stopping a little in
in
between. Yes, sir.
Same job work is there.
Yeah.
But you need to enrich on certain areas where you are weak.
Yes, sir.
As we observed you, women specific schemes of the government of Odisha and India,
Sir.
and some district related issues, problems of some
Problems of
district and
some-
tribals,
Yes, sir.
specifically tribal problems,
Yes, sir.
national events,
Mhm.
maybe of sports, maybe of religion, cultural activities, maybe of political events,
Yes, sir.
something like that. The national. International is not very big deal, whatever things comes up to generalities.
Yes.
But national becomes more fact based.
Yes, sir.
So that is why I am given specifically.
Yes, sir.
That's why you don't need a fact. You can write it, you can tell a story. You can tell a story of Trump, you can tell a story of Putin, you can tell a story of Zelensky.
Yes, sir.
Everything you can tell.
Yes, sir.
And so there is no need to prepare.
Yeah.
But you need to prepare for national events. Not suppose sports. What the when will not the prizes?
Mhm.
How many awards will be got?
Fact-based questions. Yes, sir.
I think you can take care of.
That
I
part.
think you will be
Yes, sir.
doing well. We have assessed you at 165, and this may increase with your presentation skill. So another 15-20 marks.
So the drug problem questions, what might be a good answer to that?
No, you just conceptualize
Yes,
first and present it
Hmm.
in a proper way, appropriate manner. What should be the answer? You cannot determine that beforehand. On the spur of the moment, whatever occurs to your mind,
Yes, sir.
try to present it beautifully.
Okay, sir.
When it comes to drugs or criminal or some sort of human trafficking,
Yes, sir.
they are not small people.
Hmm.
There is a
You
big
try to
racket.
block.
There is a big racket.
Right, sir.
So alone you cannot do it, even if you have power. So there should be joint effort.
Yes, sir.
Police should be informed. So their protection force will be there along with you.
Yes, sir.
And suppose it is a matter of child trafficking or drug abuse to children or education, take the block education officer or district education officer.
Yes, sir.
So in that way you are going to focus it and you can take care of it
Sir,
nicely.
I thought I had to speak about some new innovative method.
No.
No.
Innovation is not your book.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Within the given jurisdiction,
Out
given
of box thinking is not necessary here.
You cannot innovate.
at that
राजा कहले जहाँ resource available ଅଛି.
The system which is in place.
So, more city Kamala, this is a criminal activity. So there is a enforcement wing to take care of this.
Yes, sir.
But you are the officer to see that things happen.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So your first duty is to inform to the appropriate authority who is supposed to go for enforcement.
Yes, sir.
Who is supposed to play a role in that. So instead of you going there,
Yes, sir.
they should go there first. And they should go there with their people and the team.
Yes.
and any other requirement they will have to take care of. Anything that they need, if you can help them,
Yes, sir.
they will ask you and you will discuss with them what are their constraints or challenges. So you have to coordinate these activities. So your major role is to see that things happen.
Coordination. Yes,
Yes.
sir. Okay. Yeah.
Are you getting the
Coordination.
point?
Yes, sir.
And monitoring.
Monitoring.
Yes.
sir.
You are the
Monitor period.
you are the officer of the block. But in my block something is happening like this. So I should coordinate and see that things happen.
Sir, I stopped because I thought I had to give some sort of
No,
thing.
we are not, it is not a research work.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Carry on.
Thank you.